Okay, note to self. I find it better because I'm feeling the one at the bottom that I just did and my roots feel very puffy. So when I retwist both of the locks, I'm crossing them over. Instead of, you see how this, I'm probably going to redo that one. So I'm going to cross them over and I'm going to roll them.
So I have done majority of the hair. I'm at the top. I see that I have some extra rollers. So I'm going to start adding these one at a time. Up top, the area here. I add the 2 purple ones in the front. Those are single. And these 2 are double. And then the rest that I'm doing at the top, I want to just wrap them individually. Placing it under and rolling the rod, rolling the hair away from my face. And placing it down, stretching it down like to make sure I get all of it. My hair